on a monthly basis, right? That's the only difference. Right, and the thing is, like, if I didn't do that test, I wouldn't realize that we have issues. In fact, if there wasn't a break-in at Myrtle, I wouldn't even know we had issues at these other locations. Some locations there's communication failure altogether, like nothing has been registered, you know. So the last site we are still working on is the one in 4160. The guy was there yesterday. He completed the third floor, sorry, but he has not completed the second floor yet. There's still a slight communication issue there. He said he might go back there on Friday to finish it off. Right. It also seems like during the install of these original locations, like maybe something was never tested properly. You know, that's my take on the subject. Because most times when the guys go to the site, as soon as they tell them they get this, they can get the panel test. That's all they do. They do a panel test, and that's about that. These places were before my time. Yeah, these locations all these locations are before my time. So I don't know. The thing is, Larry, I have never had a bug test. I never did a bug test. I always do panic tests on a monthly basis, right? So we would have never identified that the bug system had an issue if that incident didn't happen. And that's where we are right now. So we just need to get everything rectified, get everything functioning. And moving forward, what I might do when I'm doing my my tests on a monthly basis, we're gonna just do the bug test also. Correct. So somebody's not monitoring it. That's all. Someone is not monitoring it. That's something you have to identify. Why? Right. Yeah. Right. Remember 4160 been out for almost 2 years now, right? And we only identified that it was out because of the FC kept, you know, we tried to put the code and it's just not kicking in. But that was never reported to us that this system was down, and both systems were down, both the second and the third floor. With that location also, I'll call you later on about this one, because I want it's saying second/third, right? So we need to narrow it down to which floor or which account is on without the second/third, right? But that's something I can discuss with you later on after I have my meeting with Nick this morning, right? Alright? Alright, thanks. Okay. Yeah, no problem. Bye.